welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, hey everybody. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. If you're new here and you're thinking, why is she so excited about Monday? Mondays are my favorite day of the week. I'll get to that in a minute. Okay. So, did you guys have a good weekend? I hope you had a good weekend. Ours was okay. Okay, on Friday I didn't post a video. I know a lot of you saw that. I didn't post a video on Friday because it was Angela's last day of school, and every year on the last day of school, we go out for dinner. We had to empty her locker. It was a whole ordeal. You had to line up by alphabetically, by your last name. Anyways, it was a whole ordeal to get that done. Plus I work, and we all know that. So that happened, and then I took her out for dinner. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd seen us both all dolled up, going out for dinner. First time out for dinner, I'm telling you, since since our world got flipped upside down. But it was good. Our restaurants are only the patios are open here. Only the patios. You cannot go into the restaurant, and there's social distancing, and I don't know how many, whatever the amount of people that there are. Anyways, whatever. It was fine. We had a good time. It was nice being served dinner. Let me just tell you that much. It felt very nice. Very, very nice. So that's what we did on the weekend, and then Saturday we went to the mall, did a little shopping, nothing much. Sunday cleaned the house, got ready for the week. Again, I actually went to work. I know. I'm not supposed to work on Sundays, but I can't help it, guys. I can't help. It's my shop. I want to go. I want to work. I want to get these orders out. Oh my God. Speaking of orders, I am so thankful to you all. Oh my goodness. You all are the best. And I got a big surprise coming. Oh, you just wait. I got a good one. Coming. Actually, the next three things, well, one I'm on the fence about, but the next two things or three things that will be launched in the shop, one is a seasonal novelty, but one I've been working on for so long, and I think it might be my favorite. Oh, you just wait till you see it. Just wait. It is gonna be, if it turns out the exact way I want it to turn out, because I'm really, I test all the products and I plan them and design them myself. So if you don't know that about me, I have my own shop and my own website. I sell online home decor. You'll see it scattered throughout my house. My 2-tier trays here, my lanterns are here, my cutting boards here, the cookbook stands here. What else do I have? Yeah, all the stuff that I have in the store, which is linked down below, I have it there. And I also have an Amazon store, so you'll see all kinds of different things that I bought from Amazon. That's all linked down below. You can go and check all that out, and you can check everything out if you're new here and you don't know. Guys, on Monday, at the end of the video, I did a secret giveaway because I knew I was gonna get to 10,000. I knew it. I knew that day or the next day I would get to 10,000, so I did a 10,000 giveaway, and I announced the winner on Wednesday's video, which was my chalk art. The video did terrible. I don't know if a lot of people didn't get the notification, so make sure you hit the little bell. You know the little bell down below beside the subscribe button? Make sure you got that little bell on so you get notified for all the videos. Or you guys weren't just not interested in watching me do chalk art. But I did give a message of hope and love, and it was truly from my heart. It was truly from my heart for our countries, because our poor countries, they're just, the devil is playing havoc on North America. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yip yapping. So then I did then I announced the winner of the giveaway on that video. So Darlene has already messaged me. We've already gone into contact, And so I'm really, really happy. I did it as a random, like a random pick thing where you do like the random picker. Anyways, so that was great. So this is, you gotta check the end of the videos to see, because sometimes I do that kind of sneaky thing. I give away stuff at the end of my video. Um, Anyways, this video is gonna be super, super casual. It is Monday. The house is spotless. So I'm gonna take you off the tripod, and I'm telling you, this is a very casual video. I'm gonna take you around, show you what I've done so far with my little patriotic decor, because we all know that in Canada you cannot find anything. I mean, if I was in the US, I'm telling you, my house would probably look like the American flag. Like, exploded all over the house. But we were supposed to be there this year. God obviously has other plans for us. I am leaving it in his hands because it is very, very, very debilitating as to what is going on. I cannot get a passport for my daughter at the moment. There's no way. There's just no way. There's no way to get a passport for her, and that is the end of that story. So we are here, and we are going to make the best of it, and I'm going to make the best of it, and I'm going to decorate, and I'm going to do all the things to make us happy. So, enough of me yip-yapping. I'm sure you've heard me yap enough. And let me take you off the tripod and show you how cute the house looks. We are standing in the front hallway. Just want to give you a quick look of what I've done. I'm not going to show you too much of my dining room, but here's like a little sneak peek. And it's not patriotic at all because I have basically my coastal decor. But I do want to show you something new I got. I did get that clock and that antique sign over there. And there's that little table that I hauled for you guys. I love that table. And I want to do a new centerpiece. So like a new floral arrangement for that table. So that'll be probably an upcoming video. But I want to show you my patriotic decor and summer kind of mixed in together. This is what I have here on this little round front hallway table. I just added my little lantern. It's a brand new lantern I got from Amazon. And it's linked in my Amazon store if anybody's interested. And this amazing pedestal from Hobby Lobby. I really recommend these. And just a little starfish. Just for some coastal in the front. So here's where I put some patriotic decor. You can see my front hallway table. Oh my goodness, the flag is from Hobby Lobby and the anchor is from Burlington, and so is that big leaf. And then I just added some greenery, and I have this beautiful bird cage from Michael's, and I love it. I don't want to get rid of it. So this is what I did here in the front hallway. You can see. I love this arrangement, and I love this vase so much. But just to add a little patriotic touch, and you can see me in the mirror, I just put the Canadian and American flag in there, and then this cute little sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's go this way, and we're going to go into my Butler's pantry because I want to show you what I did that in there. Okay, guys, I want to show you my little coffee bar area. It is so cute. I think it turned out really, really cute this year. I love what I did here on my two-tiered tray. And if you're wondering about the two-tiered tray, it is from my store, my personal store. And I just added, I love this little cow. I found it in red. It's from the Pioneer Woman collection. And I just thought it tied in really nice. And the good thing about buying something like this, imagine it at Christmas time, because that's what makes these kind of things like versatile. So I just added the little signs, some stars. I left my Raydon mugs hanging for right now. It says Happy Blessed Dreamer. That's me. And then you guys seen this, but I just added the America the Beautiful sign. And then over here, just to tie in a little patriotic, I put a blue and white polka dotted ribbon. And the rest is just all the same. But I think it looks so, so cute. So cute. Very, very cute. I'm really happy with this area. It's really nice to wake up. In my family room, there's really not much as in patriotic at all. I originally wanted to get blue and white pillows, but I never got them. And this is what I have just for summer decor. And this is my mantle. I know a lot of you have seen the mantle already. And truthfully, I really didn't do much, guys. I left my shelves this way. I love them. I think they look great. They're perfect for summer, easy, breezy, just some nice decor. And then you guys saw me make this. I added the the um, the little flags. So that's all I have for patriotic. And you can see into my hallway and down the dining room. So it's all kind of cohesive. And there's the coffee bar area. Okay, guys, let's go into my kitchen, and this is where you'll find most of the patriotic stuff that I've done. I added my patriotic wreath. You can see it there above my stove and on my cabinets. And you know what? It's just a wreath that I made. It's not the nicest of wreaths. I'll tell you that much. And then over here on my stove, hopefully my lighting is good because I don't know, it's doing something funny. I have my cutting board, and I am using it. I'm using it on a regular basis now. And then over here, I added this little bow to my chicken. I thought it was cute. I just made a little bow and added it to her. And then I got a little Canadian flag. And then I cut out some of these stars at the shop and painted them. And I'll show you. I got more of them all around. And yeah. Then over here, I thought this looked cute. I thought this turned out really cute. It's like a little shelf I have. And I got my Canada's Day sign. And then I got an American flag and a little star and a little maple leaf that I cut out. I just had some scrap wood at the store, guys, at the shop, so that's what I did. So really, there's not much. I'll pan around so you can see this way, and then I'll show you the rest. So in this corner over here, I just, this was a centerpiece I had on the table. And I just put the placemats here because I do like to use those. And there's another one of the little stars I cut out at the shop. And I have my Canadian American flag, and I thought they look really cute together. Here, same thing. I love keeping my soaps and my paper towel all together, and then both flags there. And you can see the view from my kitchen into the family room, so you get an idea of what it's like. I think it looks really good. I mean, one room's nautical, one room's really, really patriotic, but that's okay. And then this is how I have my table, like on an everyday basis. I took the tablecloth off. If you saw my video, how I set the table, I took the tablecloth off. And I just left the placemats and the chargers and the centerpiece. I thought they was really cute. And then over here on my shelf, sorry, I cannot speak today at all. I left the lemon decor, except that I added a blue colander where the lemons were. Now, I wish the blues matched, but I have an idea. I really want to paint a Mackenzie Child blue colander. Okay, so here what I did is I mixed it. I like mixing my decor a lot. I put my God Bless America sign there, and then I added patriotic ribbons to my lanterns. And I think they turned out so cute. Guys, this burlap one, this ribbon here with the stars on it is from Hobby Lobby, and the other two ribbons are from Michael's. I wish I, planned this out a lot better. Truthfully, I honestly thought we'd be in the U.S. by now, but doesn't look like it's gonna be happening anytime soon, so it's kind of upsetting. But you know, we are celebrating as much as we can. I'm gonna give you another view of the kitchen from this side. I think it looks really good, and you can see into my butler's pantry and the whole kitchen on that side. And there's the view of that. Now I'm going to show you my what I did over here. And I don't think a lot of people saw the video of when I made this, but I love it. It represents both countries. It's verses from two songs. We all know that we live in the, the continent of America, North America. So I put America as the centerpiece, and then I put God Bless America, and then Strong and Free is from the Canadian anthem, and I put Canadian banner, and I put the year that United States was formed, and the year that Canada was formed. So I kind of, paid homage, I guess, to both countries because they're both true to my heart. And then really there's not much decor here at all. Yeah, so that's just a little tour of my house. So I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, guys, what'd you think? Did you like it? I know, I told you. It's like a super casual video. I just wanted to show you around the house and show you what I've done so far. Not much, right? I mean, it's not much. For some people, they might think, oh my God, it's over the top. For other people, they think, oh my God, she barely did anything. It's summer. I like my decor in the summer, easy breezy. Y'all, have you seen everybody posting fall? Ooh, I'm itching. But no, no, we are not going there yet. We cannot go to fall yet. I mean, maybe. No. I'm going to enjoy the summer. July just began. I'll probably start my fall right around the end of August. That's when I'm going to start my fall. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to shop for fall. That's another story. Yeah, I mean, we know, right? I'm a shopaholic. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to change up my decor, definitely for summer. I'm going to definitely change up the kitchen. I'm thinking sunflowers. I'm thinking sunflowers and lemons kind of mixed together. I don't know. We'll do something cute. I'm going to change the mantle. I don't know. The baby blue, the like seafoam blue is not, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. So I'm going to change that. The dining room I'm going to change a little bit. So you'll see that coming up soon. We're going to make some flower arrangements for sure because you all know that I love my flower arrangements. Tablescape videos, I love doing those. My God, they're so much fun. And I mean, I like to set the table up, pretty extra for no reason anyways. So yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy our summer. If you have any ideas for videos on what you want to see, leave them down in the comment section, and I will gladly make any video you guys want to see, gladly. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful week. I know I've taken up plenty of your time, but it's just one of these mornings where I'm chatty Cathy. So, have a fantastic week ahead, and I will see you on Wednesday. I love you guys. Have a great week. Mwah! And don't forget, declare, 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 because I've done it all morning. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a great week, guys.